Assalamu alaikum, dear Pakistani foodies. Today, we're bringing you a mouth-watering fusion recipe that combines the best of Chinese and Pakistani flavors, crispy chicken wontons with a tangy Chinese dipping sauce. These delicious bites are sure to win hearts at your table and become a favorite for gatherings, parties, or simply for indulging in a delightful snack. So, let's get started. Ingredients: for crispy chicken wontons, 250 grams ground chicken, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon ginger, grated, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, adjust to taste, ½ teaspoon ground black pepper, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 package of wonton wrappers, available at Asian stores. For Chinese dipping sauce, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 teaspoon red chili paste, or sriracha, adjust to taste, 1 green onion, thinly sliced, green part only, 1 teaspoon toasted sesame seeds. Preparing the filling. In a mixing bowl, combine the ground chicken, chopped onions, minced garlic, grated ginger, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, red chili flakes, black pepper, and salt. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. The aromatic flavors of ginger and garlic will infuse the chicken, making it irresistible. Take a wonton wrapper and place about a teaspoon of the chicken filling in the center. Frying the wontons. Fry the wontons in batches until they turn golden and crispy, usually 2 to 3 minutes per batch. Avoid overcrowding the pan. Preparing the tangy Chinese dipping sauce. In a small bowl, combine soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, lime juice, sesame oil, and red chili paste. Stir until the honey dissolves completely, and the sauce is smooth and tangy. Arrange the crispy chicken wontons on a serving platter and sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds over them. Garnish the dipping sauce with sliced green onions for a pop of color and freshness. Conclusion: enjoy the delectable fusion of flavors in these crispy chicken wontons with tangy Chinese dipping sauce, specially crafted for our Pakistani food enthusiasts. This appetizing recipe will surely add a unique touch to your culinary experience.